Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Today our topic is how to make a healthy smoothie for a diet plan. So let's start. Making a healthy smoothie as part of a diet plan can be a great way to incorporate nutritious ingredients into your daily routine. Here's a step-by-step guide to making a healthy smoothie. 1. Choose a base liquid. Start by selecting a liquid base for your smoothie. Opt for low-calorie options such as water, unsweetened almond milk, coconut water, or low-fat dairy milk. Use about 1 to 1.5 cups of liquid, depending on your desired consistency. 2. Add leafy greens. Add a handful of leafy greens to boost the nutritional value of your smoothie. Spinach and kale are excellent choices as they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They also have a mild taste that is easily masked by other ingredients. 3. Include protein. Protein is essential for a satisfying smoothie that keeps you full for longer. Add a scoop of protein powder, such as whey or plant-based protein, to promote muscle repair and maintenance. Alternatively, you can use Greek yogurt or silken tofu as a protein source. 4. Add fruits and vegetables. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables to add flavor, fiber, and essential vitamins to your smoothie. Berries, bananas, mangoes, and avocados are popular choices. You can also include vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, or beets for added nutrients. 5. Consider healthy fats. Including a small amount of healthy fats in your smoothie can help increase satiety and provide essential fatty acids. Consider adding a tablespoon of nut butter, flax seeds, chia seeds, or a handful of nuts like almonds or walnuts. 6. Enhance with superfoods. Superfoods can provide an extra nutritional boost to your smoothie. Consider adding ingredients like spirulina, matcha powder, cacao nibs, or acai berries for additional antioxidants and nutrients. 7. Sweeten naturally, optional. If you prefer a sweeter smoothie, add a natural sweetener like honey, agave nectar, or a few dates. Keep in mind that fruits already add natural sweetness, so taste the smoothie before adding any sweeteners. 8. Blend until smooth. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. If the consistency is too thick, you can add more liquid gradually until you reach your desired consistency. Remember to monitor portion sizes and adjust the ingredients based on your dietary needs and calorie goals. Smoothies can be a healthy addition to your diet plan, but it's important to ensure they are well balanced and fit within your overall daily calorie intake. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.